In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Wistia video while keeping it unlisted and secure. Many Wistia users want to ensure their videos are shared only with certain viewers without appearing in public searches. We'll guide you through the process of sharing your video while maintaining that level of privacy. First, you'll need to log in to your Wistia account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific project or folder where your video is hosted. This is the hub where all your videos related to that project are stored, so you'll want to make sure you're in the right spot before proceeding. Next, look for the padlock icon, or in some cases, you might see settings labeled as Set Privacy and Sharing or Sharing and Privacy. Click on these to access your privacy settings. This area allows you to manage who can view your videos and how. Ensure that your project's access is set to unlocked. If a project is marked as locked, it requires a login for viewing, which might restrict some of your viewers unintentionally. By keeping the project unlocked, anyone with a direct link or embedded player can view the video, but it still won't be publicly searchable. This maintains that delicate balance between accessibility and privacy. Once you've confirmed that the project is unlocked, select the specific video you wish to share. You'll see an option labeled Embed and Share. Click on this, and under the Share tab, you'll find a link that you can copy. This link is crucial, as it is what you'll be sending to your intended viewers, whether through email or private messaging. You can share this link knowing that only those with it can access the video. Now, if you want to add an extra layer of security, you have a couple of options. First, consider requiring a password for viewing. This means even if someone has the link, they won't be able to watch the video without the password, protecting your content from unintended viewers. Secondly, you can limit embedding to specific domains. This restriction ensures that even if someone gets hold of the link, they can only view it when it's embedded on a website you've approved. This is an excellent way to maintain control over where your video appears. Finally, share the link or embed the video player on your approved site with the intended audience. Remember, if you want your video to remain unlisted and not accessible to everyone, avoid posting this link publicly. Being mindful of this will help you maintain the desired privacy settings while still effectively sharing your content with those who matter. And there you have it, a simple yet secure way to share your Wistia videos without them being publicly searchable. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out with any questions or suggestions.